Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create reports in Salesforce. So it's basically a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply open your browser and log into your Salesforce. Now in order to create reports, all you have to do is just simply go to the reports tab over here, and for some reason if the report tab isn't here, just simply go to the icon over here, click on it, then search for reports. And over here you will find reports. So just simply click on it. Now it will take you directly to that page. Now the first thing that you should know before creating any report, the report that can only be seen by the viewer is the report that is assigned to that viewer. Meaning, if you are assigned to that particular report, only then you can see the report. If you are not assigned, you will not be able to see that. Now, in order for you to actually create the report, all you have to do is just simply click on New Report. Now after that, over here, all you have to do is just simply select a type. So the type could be anything like marketing, leads, outreach, etc. So for this tutorial, I will just simply choose leads, and in the category of leads, I will just simply go with the normal standard leads. Then just simply click on Start Report. Now after you are in your new report, let's get a baseline. So over here, just simply go to the filters column and then click on again show me. Now over here, just simply choose all leads, then click on apply. Then just simply go to create date, then go to range, then choose all time. Now it will give you a base to start up, and this type of report is called a tabular report. It is basically a fancy type of Excel or Google Sheet. So now what you can do is just simply add a group. So let's go to outline. Now to add a group, what you can do is just simply click on add group over here, and let's say I want to group this by rating. So just simply search for rating and click on rating. Now over here you will see that it is now grouped by rating. As you can see, you can also do a sort by click on the arrow over here and sort by rating or rating count. It's totally up to you. So I will just simply go with rating. Now you will have a lot of columns over here, as you can see, first name, last name, title, which you can see over here as well. So you can just simply add and remove columns over here. So let's remove columns like lead owner and street. And now let's add few columns. So for adding columns, just simply go to the field icon over here, and now you will have a bunch of columns over here. So now if you want to add a column, just simply double click on a column. Let's go with lead status. So just simply double click on it, and it should get added over here, which you can also see over here. Now again, you can just simply remove it if you click on the cross over here, and if you want to add a different type of field, you can also do that by double clicking again, and the field will be added. You can add multiple fields if you want that too, like zip code and postal code. You can also do that. Now after making all the changes, let's save it and make sure to enable update preview automatically, or else you have to run it before seeing any changes. So let's rename it. Let's say my leads. And then just simply click on run. And then if you want to add some charts, you can also add charts by clicking on add chart over here. Then you will get a bar chart. You can also change this by going to the chart properties over here and choosing a different type of chart like donut, funnel, columns, lines, etc. So I will go with the funnel chart. Now if you want to see the values, you can make changes over here like show value and show percentage and all, or you can also change the chart by clicking on a different chart, and the chart will be changed. Now let's simply close the panel over here and let's run it. Now as you can see, our report has been created. So just simply go back. So now let's just simply save it. So just simply click on save and run, or just simply save. So now just simply click on save, and over here just simply click on the report description, and your unique name will automatically generate. So over here just simply write a description of whatever you want to. Now after that, the main part is in the folders. So over here you have to select which folder you want to keep your report in. Meaning, if you want the report to be public or in a particular division like marketing or sales or leads, you can just simply click on select folder over here and choose that particular folder and choose that particular field. And now if you want to keep the report private, just simply choose private reports over here and click on save. And then just simply hit save and run to check. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.